In this video, we are going to see that if you want to create a map chart for one single country and you want to identify the sales in different provinces or different states of that particular country, here's what you can do. First of all, let me just clear this data. And by the way, guys, you have the new data that you can find with the description of this video. So let me just save this, or let's just get rid of this altogether. Click on connect to Microsoft Excel, and we have this data right here that you can find with the description of this video. Just open this up and we have the data in a single sheet, so we don't need to customize or build any kind of relationships. Let's go straight away to sheet number 1, and here you can see that it is showing the globe with every single parameter. That means it is identified in Tableau as a location. First of all, we will notice that we have the longitude and latitude right here, which is added as a parameter to show the world map. So let's put the longitude in the columns and the latitude in the rows. And once we have done that, we want to put the country in the labels or details section. So once we have done that, we will put the parameters one by one, but not in the main sheet, but on the details. So let's hold the country and put it in the details. That way it will identify from the whole world and pin the location of United States. After that, we can just change the marks and change it to map, and it will look something like this. But we want to customize this even further because we want to identify different regions. So let's put it in the province, put it in details, and now it has identified or highlighted different provinces. But let's say that if we want to customize it into different colors, what we'll do is we will hold the control key and put the provinces in the colors as well. What this will do is it will identify different regions into different colors. Now I have the sales for only a limited number of regions. That's why it's highlighted some of the parts. And finally, if you want to put the details of the sales here, first of all, we have to make sure that the sales is identified as numbers, and this hash style should be shown here. And if it is all okay, you don't need to convert it into continuous series or anything else. You just need to add this as a dimension. So let's click on convert to dimension, and it will be added to the tables dimension. Once we have done that, we will hold the sales and put it in the labels. And now we can see that the sales are properly shown within every single region, and we will put the state name in the labels as well. Let's put it in the labels. So now it shows properly the sale for each region, and we can format each of them separately. Let's put it, make it 10, apply. So that's how you can create a simple map and plot the data on that map for a particular country. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.